Do you ever want to make a pie, but then give up because it seems too hard? Don't worry, I got you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blackberry cobbler that is quicker and more delicious than a pie that anybody can learn how to prepare. The ingredients we need are all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, butter, vanilla extract, cornstarch, and fresh blackberries. First, we prepare the coating for the blackberries. Take out some sugar in a bowl and pour in cornstarch, then mix them together. Mix to the point where you can no longer see sugar and cornstarch separately. Next, pour in the melted butter on the fresh blackberries and gently coat the butter all around the blackberries. Try to go slow and use a soft spatula so that it won't mash the blackberries. Now, add the sugar and cornstarch mixture to the blackberries and mix them really well. The butter coat on the blackberries will help the sugar and cornstarch mixture to stick to the blackberries more easily. Again, try to be very gentle when you are mixing this so that you won't mash the blackberries. Next, get a pan that is not very deep but wide. The size of the pan should have enough room for a layer of the blackberries. Then lightly coat the pan with oil to prevent the cobbler from sticking to the pan. Make sure to coat all around the pan, including the edges. Then, pour the blackberries into the pan and distribute them evenly all around. The amount of the blackberries are enough to cover a layer of the pan and a little more. Next, we will prepare the cobbler's batter. Get a big mixing bowl and then pour in some all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Add the sugar based on your taste. Mix these dry ingredients really well. Then, add in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix this to the point where you cannot see dry flour, but make sure to not overmix. You can start mixing gently by using a whisk. Then once most of the dry flour is mixed in, use a spatula to mix by using the folding method to smooth the batter out. Next, pour the batter on top of the blackberries. Spread the batter evenly by covering every edge. To shake out all the air pockets, give a few slight knocks to the bottom. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Once the oven is ready, bake it for 30 to 33 minutes. When it is done, take out the oven and it will have a nice golden brown color, and you can still see and hear the lava of blackberries boiling. You can let it cool for 5 minutes and then cut it into the size you want. This tastes best when eaten hot with vanilla ice cream. The hot and cold contrast enhances the taste of both of the cobbler and the ice cream. Enjoy seeing our grandma take a bite and hope yours come out just as good.